So a lot of online personal trainers don't make as much money as they should, or don't make any money because they don't really know how to make money. So what I'm going to talk to you today is how online trainers can actually make money, make more money, and it's not by sending a program, it's definitely not by streaming workouts or anything like that. So the most basic answer to the question of how online trainers make money is, well, you charge for your services. You charge to help people get into the shape they desire. Easier said than done, because you're competing against a whole lot of other programs and systems and things that, to be honest, if you commoditize yourself, you have absolutely no chance to compete on. If you're competing against streaming platforms, there's going to be people with way better streaming platforms with way more options for way less money than you. If you compete on just basic fat loss or whatever, I'm going to help you become in good shape, there's people who have way bigger budgets, who might look better than you, who know more about marketing than you do, and you have no chance. But I say all of this, and there's a big but. If you know how to sell results, okay, if you understand that you need to communicate not what's in the program, but what somebody will become as a result of doing the program, that's where the gold lies. So the most basic part about how online trainers make money is use a system like PayPal or Venmo or something like that. You send somebody an invoice, you get on the phone with them, and you take their credit card information over the phone, and they pay you just like they pay for any other service. If you actually try to sell them, though, oh, I'm going to send you a new workout every 4 weeks, and you're also going to be able to get on the phone with me for this reason, this amount of times, and you're going to be in my support group, you're going to have a really, really hard time making money because, number one, you're not going to be able to offer a really good service that way simply because not every single client needs the same thing. And you actually don't really know what clients need until you start to work with them. It's one of the misnomers about training. You have no idea. I mean, one client might need a lot of nutritional intervention, right? Another client might need some more habit, motivational stuff. Other clients might need you to just be like, yo, bro, I got your back. You have no idea what these things are until you start working with somebody. So to offer a whole bunch of things before you actually start working with a client immediately puts you in the corner and has you, probably promising way more than you want to deliver, or that you need to deliver, which is going to take way more of your time. But also what it does is it forces you into delivering something to somebody that may not be optimal for them. And like, if the entire job of a personal trainer is to optimize the experience for the client, that's what they're paying us for. You need to put yourself in a position that allows you to actually optimize that experience. Makes sense, right? So you need to sell the results. You need to communicate what somebody will become as a result of taking your program, as being a part of your service. You don't need to actually tell them what's inside it. The difference between struggling to compete with commoditized trainers with $20 a month services and selling $1,000 to $3,000 packages is actually being able to sell what somebody will become as a result of your training. This is easier said than done. I totally get that. But the deeper you can go, the better you can illuminate that pathway for somebody. You are here. You want to become here. The way to bridge that gap is to work with me for this transformation period to get you to that point. That's what's going to lead to your success. That's what's going to help you make more money. That's what's going to help you differentiate against services that, quite frankly, will outperform yours if you can't set yourself apart.